Washington lawmakers are back to work, and this morning Governor Inslee pushing to enshrine a woman's right to abortion in our state constitution.
Yeah, John Hopperstad joining us live from the state capitol this morning. And John, that's just one of several proposals about abortion in our legislation right now. Good morning.
Good morning, Brian. Yeah, there are several bills that will be considered during the legislative session here in Olympia that will talk about abortion and protecting a woman's right to an abortion in our state. But just a couple of hours, the governor is going to talk about a plan to change the state constitution, to amend the constitution to protect a woman's right to an abortion and actually codify that in our state in case there ends up being a federal ban on abortion. Now, as I mentioned, there are several other bills that lawmakers will consider this session as well. One of those other bills being considered would create a shield law here in Washington. So if passed, that would protect people coming from states where abortions are banned, like Idaho, from facing criminal charges or lawsuits if they travel to Washington to get an abortion. And I recently spoke with the sponsor of that bill about why he believes it's so important to get it passed this session.
There is absolutely concern that the other states who are outlawing abortion are going to somehow try to use Washington state judicial process to enforce those laws against people in Washington. We're just saying no. That's not going to happen. We control our own laws, our own judicial process, and our own policy choices around reproductive freedom.
Now, a total of 5 bills will be considered this legislative session to protect abortion rights here in Olympia. But in just a few hours, the governor is going to talk about changing the state constitution, creating that amendment here. Now, some lawmakers say they don't believe he has the votes to do that, but they will hear an impassioned plea from the governor around 8:15 this morning. We'll bring you those comments from him as we get them as well. We're live in Olympia. John Hopperstead, Fox 13 News.